Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this aluminum. It's not aluminum, it's aluminum two-in-one laptop and a tablet holder, both of them. You can see that this one is super lightweight. It is really lightweight, but it's also kind of like thick, and it will hold your tablet and laptops up to 15.6 inches, no bigger than that, because it will kind of like drip a little bit if it is bigger than that. But you can see that comes with the silicone rubber pad right there on the front, and also right here on the back. So when it's like in this shape, it won't damage your wooden furniture or things like that. Everything comes right here in the package with this little nice kind of like gift box, so you can actually give it as a gift as well. But you can see this one, pretty nice, pretty easy. It will hold it. You think that it may not, but with the counterweight of the actual laptop, it will hold it no issue. So you can see this one, perfect, just like that. It will hold it right away. You can open it up, you can work with it. We can just like put like a wireless, let's say like a wireless keyboard or something like that, and use it for your home office in this like kind of like experience. Just like this, it will hold it with the weight, no issues there, up to 15.6 inches. And then you kind of like do this just like that, and you have it for your tablet. So that's going to be the same thing with the weight of the tablet. It will hold itself, so you can actually use it to just scroll a little bit or watch a movie or something like that, in case you want to put it kind of like in this shape over here, which is like a landscape, in case I want to watch a movie or something like that. So I do like it. I think it is pretty convenient just to have super space saver. It won't kind of like take too much room or things like that. So that is why I think that this one could be a nice one for the home office experience as well. I like it. I do recommend it. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.